Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation, episode number 71. And the topic for today is how to be positive in spite of past failures. Many years back, I read a quote. It says, "My yesterday's failure cannot stop me from thinking big for tomorrow." This quote stayed with me for a long time. So let's discuss 3 pointers how to implement this quote. The first one is the past failures. I'm sure all of us have some past failures and that is holding us from thinking big tomorrow. So how to convert these past failures into learning? So what I recommend is take an Excel sheet or a PPT and write down your each failures and find out the one important reason for that failure. Say for example, I shut down my company 9 years back. When I did this exercise, one of the key reasons of failure for me was concentration of revenue with a single client. 80% of my revenue was coming from a single client. So the learning I derived out of it is in my current company, I never allow more than 20% of my revenue coming from a single client. I diversify. Okay, there was a learning. So if you write all your past failures like this and take one important learning from each of the failure, then your mind now will not cling on to the past failures. It will now focus only on the learning. So that is on the past. Now think about the future. Every day, transcend your mind to 10 years from now. So for example, think about July 2036. So if you're an entrepreneur, think about after 10 years, what kind of customers you will be talking to. Imagine all the big achievements you can do. Imagine that you have already achieved it. Okay, you are able to fulfill all your goals. What kind of customers you will be working with? What kind of lifestyle you will be having? What kind of co-founders you will have? What kind of colleagues you will have in your company? Think about that. If you are working executive, think about the kind of designation you will have after 10 years. Think about the kind of people who will be reporting to you. Think about the kind of people whom you will be reporting to, assuming you are very successful for the next 10 years. Visualize this successful 10 years every single day for 2 minutes. Now that will give you a clarity where you want to go in 10 years and what you want to achieve. So now you have the learnings of the past and have the energy and motivation of the successful 10 years from now. Now come to today. And today do only those work which will take you to the successful 10 years of you. Do only those things and stop doing all other things. So the clarity of what you are doing today is what going to make you successful 10 years from now. So the learning from the past, clarity on the future on what you want to achieve will give you a better clarity on what you should do today. Thank you friends. Have a great week. See you by next week.